Hello everyone, my name is Eric Thrift, and together with my colleagues from the Dried Fish Matters project, I recently worked on a comprehensive survey of the research literature on dried fish. One thing really stands out in this survey. When we look at everything that has been published in English that is directly about dried fish, we find that over 70% of all publications are from the area of food science. This includes research from the disciplines of food chemistry, food microbiology, food safety, and food engineering. The McGill University Food Science Program defines this area as a multidisciplinary field involving chemistry, biochemistry, nutrition, microbiology, and engineering to give one the scientific knowledge to solve real problems associated with the many facets of the food system. Basically, using science and engineering to solve technical problems related to food. When we listed the journals that have published 3 or more articles since 2005 concerning dried fish, we found all but 2 were dedicated to food science disciplines. The 2 exceptions were the Journal of Ethnic Foods, which publishes a mixture of technical and descriptive reports, and the Journal of Maritime Archaeology. Humanities journals are not represented at all. Most of this food science research involves either nutrient or microbiological analysis of existing products. Nutrient analysis research typically profiles the nutritional content of products available in local markets. In general, this research confirms the value of dried fish in meeting the nutritional needs of people around the world. Some studies have also tested the impacts of different storage and processing methods on nutritional profiles, suggesting ways of enhancing nutritional quality through processing improvements. Food quality analyses have largely focused on the various forms of contamination that affect traditionally produced dried fish. Consumer products have been found to be contaminated with heavy metals such as lead and mercury, or microplastics. Hazardous pesticides, including banned toxins such as DDT and dichlorvos, are still applied directly to fish by some processors and traders to prevent losses due to blowfly and beetle infestations. These chemicals continue to be found in samples of dried fish that are sold for human consumption. Microbiological studies have identified unsafe bacteria or fungi in commercially available products from local markets. This research shows that risks can be reduced by controlling storage temperature, using solar dryers, or using safer ingredients and sanitary equipment. Food scientists have tested various new products and processing technologies designed to achieve better food safety or nutritional parameters than traditional equivalents. But technical interventions such as elevated racks, solar dryers, improved recipes, and low-risk pesticides have been promoted since the 1970s at least, with almost no long-term adoption by dried fish processors. We have the food science data to identify safe and nutritious dried fish, but we don't have clear evidence of what makes safe and nutritious dried fish processing methods popular and acceptable to producers. This is where social science research on dried fish value chains can help.